Whatever you do, don't scale it up too far. Push it past a certain point and it won't just light a bulb, it'll look for somewhere to dump the extra power, somewhere near. Keep the coils tight, the ground isolated, and route your return through a damping plate. Most people think you need massive solar arrays to live off the grid, but I found out the hard way that a few tightly wound copper coils and a precise grounding circuit can pull more juice than the local power plant wants you to know about. When I first tested this in my backyard, I nearly fried my entire workshop, but after months of tweaking the resonance, I finally hit the frequency that harvests ambient energy without the risk of a surge. Now, I'm running my entire camper and workshop on a setup that fits in a shoebox. I can't keep this video up forever because the utility companies hate when people stop paying their monthly bills, but if you want to see exactly how to bridge these connections and get your own off-grid power source running by this weekend, I've put the full schematic and step-by-step guide in my bio. Tap the link and grout it before it gets taken down.
Now, do you believe that a water pump can run forever without electricity or any other source of energy? It may sound unbelievable, but I have successfully built a completely free water pump, using only an old pump and an old motor. By connecting two motors in a smart way, they create continuous motion, self-powered to pump water without consuming any electricity or fuel. This machine is not only cost-effective, but also very environmentally friendly, suitable for agricultural irrigation or providing water in places without electricity. This is a breakthrough, making the idea of unlimited energy a reality. Want to know how I made it and how it works? Don't take your eyes off this video.